We happy? Eric. We happy?
Yeah, we're happy. Let's face it, metalworking is cool, at least in the linguistic sense of the word. After all, manipulating metal into shape is effectively an art form. As such, the logical next step is to share it with a wider audience by means of education for entertainment. But there's one thing that our little community has been missing: a mass collaboration project. Now, they say imitation is the most sincere form of flattery. I certainly hope that's the case. You see, for the past 6 years, Ruth Amos of Kids Invent Stuff has brought makers together every December for an epic gift swap, and that gave me an idea. As a self-appointed ambassador of giving gifts, I rallied together some of YouTube's finest metalworkers. I then tossed their names in a randomizer, imposed a budget of, and got them to make a gift for each other. So without a further ado, here are the participants of Toolroom Takeover 2025. A software engineer turned machinist on a mission of giving his machine sentience and free will with a good helping of dry humour. It's Cloud42. Our resident Canadian spreading the knowledge of all things machining with a healthy dose of sassiness, locomotives and cat content. It's Blondie Hacks. A blacksmith extraordinaire with the energy of a caffeinated Viking and a can-do attitude. It's Alex Steele. The softly spoken hands-on craftsman who, much like many of us, has a soft spot for old and forgotten machines. It's Jonesy Makes. A man who effectively did a speedrun of building a machine shop properly, all for the sake of fixing a few carburetors. It's NBR Works. A degree-dodging wordsmith from down under who approaches scope creep like it's some sort of an Olympic sport. It's not an engineer. The pigeon artist who seems to have discovered the concept of machine tools and simply ran with the idea. It's Yuri Tuhman. The YouTube phenomenon who earned his fame in equal parts for incredible storytelling of making things as well as failing to do so. It's Inheritance Machining. A spectacular team of engineers who redefine what it really means to make small things on machine tools. It's Granova Engineering. And last, but hopefully not least, the self-appointed ambassador of giving gifts, me, Eric with a K, artist formerly known as Engineers in Kingston. So tune in on the 15th of August at 3 PM Eastern Time. Your time zone may vary. There'll be a playlist with all the videos so you can binge watch the whole thing, and you should. So be there or be square.